Yo, what is up, man? Unboxing shoes here, and today we're gonna be doing a part 2 of the Air Force One restoration. This took a 2-day process. I'm just saying, it took a lot of work, cause this shoe had oil, had dirt, had permanent stains. It was yellow. Alright, but anyways, look, this is how it came out. Alright, it's still yellow, of course. and it has paint chips, like paint wear off right here, so you can tell. Look at that. Laces right there. I did the inside. Might look dirty, but sheesh, before gone. Here's the other shoe. I did both shoes, y'all can see. Alright, before we continue, those are the products I use. These products are the ones that I used to clean the Air Force Ones. That's looking good. This is not a paid promotion, sponsorship, or sponsor, or in any general way. Like, this is not to promote these products. I'm just showing y'all what I use to clean these shoes. Now, this product right here costed around what, $10. Came with a Gorilla Brush, I think 10 to 9 to $6. This one right here you can find at your local Target. You just gotta go to the shoe section, look for it. This is just a regular toothbrush, okay? Any toothbrush will do. Now this lasts you 2 months. Just use a little bit, shake it though very well, and you'll be set. Alright. Also, this works very good with Vans. Trust me, you need to try it with the Vans. It'll come out nice and clean. Alright, hope y'all have a great day. Stay safe, and God bless. Peace.